Hello, hello, hello. Turn down a bit. That's a bit loud. Go. No idea what run I had going, so I'm just gonna abandon that shit and play a new one. Hello everyone, today we're just playing some few runs of Slay the Spire before we swap over to yeah. We switch over to some learning how to code a lot Slay the Spire. I think having a mod would be fun. Yeah. I want to try a Necrobender run. Rider, another look out. Okay. In a potion slot and produce 2 random potions, not bad. Just 2 colorless cards, that your deck. Mystery card rewards are upgraded, treasure is empty. Nah. Let's start to remember I have potions. A regen potion and snake. Draw 7 cards, randomize the cost of your cards. Okay. Okay, we can hit 2, that path has 2. Like we're hitting 2 at max. A late shop doesn't sound bad. This one doesn't have a campfire. Neither does that path though. Could hit. No. If we hit this campfire, we get only 1 elite. We can hit both of these. I would have to go this path. Get to this. Also late shop here, so this is also a path. And there is a campfire here. This path could work. Me and you. Lucky number. Oh no, we don't hit that campfire. Fuck. I guess here we make the choice whether we want to either hit the campfire or hit the elites. This is not a nice route. But fuck it. Let's go this way. Yeah, actually, I'm gonna erase it all. And if I had to choose between me and you. So they do. Sad boy summer. Sad boy summer. I'm on your record load. I'll miss you the most. I'll miss you the most. Dexterity. Okay. Yeah. 5/7 doom to all enemies. Sure. Nice early doom. Nice. Happening. Why does it take so long for it to happen? Good. Okay, defend. Yeesh, I wish I had more defense than that. Ouchie, my bones. Skeptical. Skeptical. Wolf sheep's clothing is more than a warning. Check it, check it, click. Oh, could you tell me the been easy. Thinking and I'm stuck. Okay, it's confused, so they are just dead. I don't even need the doom. Oak. Tone. You can go infinite with this one, I remember this. Sure, let's go with that. Mentality. Okay, immediately apply doom. 9 damage at soul. Draw pile. Let's summon forth. That should full block. Sure, let's play into this. Oh boy, that was a lot of damage. Is this Thorns me or Odie? It Thorns Odie. Ooh. Osti. 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 Osi. Osti. I'm gonna with Osti. We defend. Strike. Ouch, my bones. They got doomed. Summon 5. Slash. Slash. Oh. Damn. And. Another retrieve, huh? Eternal deal 7 damage. I one vulnerable. Sure. Lecture death. Sharp. Ooh. Enhance sharp. Then attack. Used to that great, they're good. I think I do this. We increase you. I will get more block from Doom. I think we even have gold for shop to be that's valuable. However, we might need to do this for the healing. We don't get healed on this path. But hey, the machine, no more back down to no time. The place, not gonna make it alive today. I said, hey, you boil the well. Work in his hand. Nice to know you. Damn, come on. Grab another retrieve. Now we heal. Heal me up so I do not perish. We need to hit this path to get an elite. This creature is just unplayable. And it's permanent though. Yeah. I don't even know if there's another shop I hit. I wouldn't even have hit the shop this round. That wouldn't have been worth it. Now we upgrade. It's just more Doom. I like the sound of that. More Doom. Let's doom max. Elites get more enemies drop 15 more gold. Nice. Oh, that's... Okay. Defend. I have to defend from a lot of blocks. Come on, come on. Everyone has beam. We just need to get them to a bit more than halfway. Why do this? You should be. Oh, just barely nothing. Energy. Spend. Patiently hold it. I don't give a little. Grab this. I want more block. 1/4 unleash area on the block. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Enough block to sustain you, so it's just you left. Very vulnerable. Right. Come on. Ah, damn. Yes. Nice. Damage if this is the first time you play this card. I deem equal to damage dealt. Huh? Get another cap. The end of each combat. Ooh. We're about a heal, right? Yes, we are about a heal. I think I'd take this. I'm not gonna have that much health. Yeah, yikes. I have a regen pot. I'm gonna go in here. Immediately pop my regen pot. Poison Doom. So I want defend. Right. Third days. Anymore. 3 days. Wow. Yikes, I don't like that at all. I have to do this and I hope I get a few 0 cost. 1 0 cost defend. Yikes. Doom them all. Defend, defend. Okay. Easy wins. Wait, how did you come back? Doesn't matter. Get doomed. Talk about a planner if you want. Something's wrong. Whenever you draw an eternal card, draw one card. Ethereal card, I mean. I think I have an ethereal, don't I? Yes. Isn't bad, especially since it's free. Yeah, because it's free, I'd probably take it. I have the one. Yeah, we have this thing. Okay, I'll go in here, yeah. Hard potion, that's super nice. Block is also good. The next feature. That is also pretty nice. Another wisp is also pretty good. There's something I want to remove. Remove one of my mini strikes. Friendship. Loses strength, gain energy. Okay, so it's -1 strength plus one of these, +1 mana for every turn. Start of each turn, yeah. This isn't too bad actually. Never, let's see, hits this enemy. Never hits this enemy this turn, summon 2. If I do that, and I then do this, it summons 2. And a poke would also summon 2. Neat. I don't think it's worth money on. I'd rather go that. Go up. At the crab? Oh, who the hell are you? I don't think I've ever fought you before. Summon 5. Play you. Play you. We don't play you because it's not worth. Actually, yeah. Since they don't have any armor right now. There's nothing else I'd want to do, so I'm gonna smack the shit out of him now before he gets plating. Okay. Smack the shit out of him while we had the chance. Now we defend. And the vulnerable unleash. Yep. In front of me. Flex. No defend is not something I want to see. I want to have a little bit of defense. Use a strength right now might not be the smartest. Okay. Restrike. Friendship. That's strength permanent or is it vanished next? It is permanent. I want something gives me strength to retaliate that. No damage. I'll apply some doom. I can hit you for 26. Buff me, minus dexterity, that's annoying as fuck. Fuck you, bitch. My vulnerable, unleash. Block. Ouchie. Summon 5. More cards, please. Unleash. Okay, make your hands clap. Losing control. Okay. I fear I might be a little cooked. I got no defense. If I had defense, I might have lived. No, I think I lived this turn. No, I don't. Okay, I miscalculated. Fuck. But how did I die? 16 plus 6 does not equal 11 times 2. No, it does. It is exactly 11 plus 2. 11 times 2. 11 times 2 is 22, and I had 16, 6. So I had 22. Yeah, that was exactly enough to kill me. Son of a bitch. Let's play you then. I'm reading. But Venture. No, not. Immediately remove a card. Immediately upgrade some stuff. Like the idea of immediately upgrading some stuff. Or we remove. Would we remove? Nothing really. Upgrade a strike and defend. Okay, it's Aish. Oh, okay, so they're all up here. I see. We can hit 2. The max we can do is hit 2 by hitting this button. We go over here. We hit this. We can go either of these paths. Whether we want to heal or not. Hit this elite. We can skip the elite if needed. This way, so we can hit the mystery. Unknown. We could also hit this elite instead. And then... Now this gives us 3 camouflage. Okay, a turtle, hello! Why did... Does that appear on stream? It does. Sharing it not you maybe. Also hello. I come from crazy, live a little crazy. The king of conventional. You could look it all and see. How are you doing? We need to quickly do something. Got what you need, cause I'm with me and take the ride. Good, that's nice. Over to hear that. We are playing a few runs of Slay the Spire. Then I'm gonna try and learn how to mod the game. Because DJ has a great idea for a mod. My friend. And also let me mute Discord and unmute my notifications because I do expect a notification. There we go. Okay, do need to defend a bit here. I'm gonna pick up peanut shells. With you. Not okay with this up, down, wrong, like a bed, cause I got what you need and now the right. Maybe the other side. You do like me. Seven. And bam. Oh, that was just lethal anyways, perfect. I'd breathe your hand, it just exhausts. Pre 11 damage. It's a pretty good early game, I'd say. Yeah. Now you're aching. upgrade 2 random cards, remove 1 card from your deck. I'll upgrade 2 random cards, I think. Right now, basically all my cards are good enough to want to keep. This will be a bit nicer later on, where I can actually have stuff to remove. Right now, I'm good with this. Now, if you want a piece of all the action. 7. We can stake and make it happen. There's 1 nickels on the dime. Maybe 9, 10. Might as well execute you. You pocket on a page, cause I got what you need, cause I'm with me attack the ride to the other side. Let's summon this instead. I'll take the 1 damage. And now we just need a strike. I said now we just need a strike. Triple your block. Holy moly, okay. Cash is pretty nice. I want forge though. I want a nice forge build. Okay, let's see. I want to defend once. We throw some stuff at the guy attacking. And we execute the guy attacking. We smack you. Wow. Now we refine a summon forth. Weaken. And then we execute. What's that? Draw 1. Start your next 3 turns, draw 1 additional card. Okay. Ooh, a Know Thy in Place. Hammer. 20 damage. Choose a colorless card on your hand. Add a copy to your hand. I don't have that many colorless cards. This does seem like it could be super good though. Ah, all 3 of these are super good. When am I getting a shop? Not for a while. Okay, this isn't that good now. I won't get a colorless card for a while. Yeah. Oh, wait! Sovereign's Blade is colorless. Oh no, we grab this 100%. Sovereign's Blade being colorless makes that broken. It's a second blade. Okay, we wanna, no one's attacking. Smack the shit out of this guy. Smack him again. Gain some stars. We get rid of this. Let's weaken you. Strike you. Let's block once. Let's block twice. Let's full block. Ooh, what a combo. We get to play you. Then we 20 damage executes you. You a little cook buddy. Kaboom. Kaboom. Thunderstruck. Deal 3 damage to all enemies for each star gained this turn. Let's might as well grab it. It can be good if you get lucky. In multiplayer it's so much better. But it's good here. Like now we do 3 damage to all enemies. That's pretty nice. Let's block 8. 3 damage to all enemies 3 times. So we're gonna deal 9 damage. We block twice, then we deal 9 damage. Is this full blocking? Let's make sure it does. Okay, it was not full blocking, but now we were. I don't like throwing them at the same time. I won't be able to do defend now. Is that next turn gain? Yeah, next turn gain 1. I'm gonna have to tank the damage. When is my next? I have a campfire right after this. I think I tank the damage. We eliminate you. The next turn I'll be able to play both of these. I can kill you. I can weaken you. Fuck, that puts them in that. Oh, I can do this again. Is that lethal? I don't... Yes, this should be lethal. Thunderstruck. Then... lethal you. Yeah, I think we lethal you. That. Tank the 7 damage. And then finish him off. Or not. Lucky fuck gets to live one more day. Bye boy. Oddly shaped open. At the start of each turn, gain 1 dexterity. Not bad. Ooh. Decisions. Choose a skill card in your hand and play it 3 times. Exhaust. That does seem pretty good. Nothing, nothing left. Okay, over the years. Finish sentences with my pride instead. North top of my head. This is better. I want to get this round 1. I want to play that. I want to play this. And I can defend. I can also get rid of this. Nice. Terminal 93. Okay, and now I can do this. Get another blade. And defend once. Oh, I had an energy. Whoops. Okay, everything is. Oh, and I can strike twice, right? What did that not? Shit. I have a 0 cost to deals damage. Yes. Damn. Does no damage here. Damn, okay. 16 damage, yikes. No away. No thine place. I think the heal is smarter. Molten egg, when you add an attack card, your deck upgraded. Sure. Please don't make this last forever. We had another campfire. Let's upgrade. 5 damage. 30. We forge for 13 could be good. I'm fucking I don't want to talk about it. Okay, it's a fine blade. Apply weak, apply vulnerable. 15 damage, Sovereign Blade. Flex Potion, gain strength, okay. Royal Gambit. If we have the stars, I'm not playing with that many stars though. Whenever you spend or gain star, deal 3 damage to all enemies. That's pretty nice. Even though I'm not doing, again, not really playing stars, I'll still take that. Sure, we're full health because I'm about to fight an elite. First, I don't want to make it any worse. Find. Smack you. Smack you again. Heal. I should have strength first, actually. I might have been able to eliminate you. I don't want to make it any worse. Who's doing more damage? You're doing more damage. Nova in place. Can we? I'm gonna lie. Let's refine blade. We'll attack next turn with it. We want to defend so we don't take damage. As much damage, we're still gonna take damage. And I think we black hole. Now I can. Oh. Now I can hammer. Execute you. Fallen star. Blade. Block potion. I think I'm happy with my current potions. Beam. Not bad. Cash is also pretty nice. Let's grab this one. Go to the boss. Not all as broken as you. Okay, we're fine. Get this up immediately. If I play that now, I don't lose more than 15 HP. Okay. Let's weaken him. Episode of Friend of Foe. Come on, take my phone. Next persistent virus under my skin. Self a fire and let you in. Oh, hello! Thank you for the raid. I'm also playing some Slay the Spire as you were just a second ago. I really need to get my old raid message back. This one's so boring. The raid alert. I had a nice one that had like a wave and shit. But since swapping over to Linux, I haven't had it active. I'll do that when stream's over. Anyhow, how did everything go? We won? Hell yeah. So far, I've done one run and I got my fucking ass beat. I did a perfect play and did the exact damage as health I had. It was fun. I'm gonna think. I think we defend here. We might as well defend twice. Do we want another blade or just attack? Actually, there's also attack, so we want the second blade. Oh, is it in a single turn? Oh, fuck. Okay. You think they'll play blade then? Love when that happens? Yeah. Love when that happens. Another line place. Covenant blade. Black hole. Oh, I had block. Fuck, I'm stupid. Ouch. Bones. Now. Seventh blade again. Defend. Might as well. Ouchie. Then you die. Ooh, lovely. I'd say that's also pretty good. Draw 1 card, gain 1/5 forge, exhaust. That's a decent card, I'd say. Decent pickup. We fighting. Let's grab the health. Good song, never. Okay. No line place. Could forge. Let's not do that first turn, or you. 8 damage is gonna wake him up. Give me more forge stuff. I want to forge my blade more. That works as a starter combo. I'm gonna hit him, so he's gonna wake up, but I now get a double Sovereignth Blade. Oh, if only I had a free block, I could hit him with motherfucker twice. Okay, we will defend for 9. We wanna. I've been playing one blade. What's the other card I wanna play? Maybe just another block. So that's gonna put me at 15. I can tank 4 damage. And then 5 strength. That's pretty good. I'm gonna. Yeah, fuck it. Have a great rest of your stream. Thank you. Good night. Hope you sleep well. Ugh. Here we go. Let me check who pinged me on Discord. No clue. Not a ping, it was just a general message. Okay. Good Big Bang. Smith 5. Forge 5. Gain a star. So now you're a bit stronger. You actually hit now. And we can... Next turn, we can gain a fuck ton of energy. Sure, let's deal 18 damage. I should have played you before I played Big Bang. Fuck. It's 3 damage. I would have done nothing. I'm gonna still play it though. That. This. Where's this thing? How much you did that day? How much you took away? Okay, now, I was really hoping to draw something like this. A forge. Okay. Defend. Strike. Sovereignth Blade. On tragedy, like gravity. No line place. Oh, we draw a forge and a Sovereignth Blade. Hell yeah. Let's first add some more vulnerable breakthrough shield. 60 damage. No, I can duplicate my debris. Honestly, look at the duplicated debris. Oh wait, that is actually duplicate. Oh, okay. Oh, you bitch! You bitch! God damn it. You a bitch for that. 1 HP, huh? 1 HP. Yeah, like that. Hundo Gold. Legendary card. Bombardment is nice. Or another Big Bang. Oh, this is also pretty nice. This plus a good... whatchamacallit? Radiant is super nice. I like Big Bang though. It's just a bunch of shit. Elites. I can hit 3 elites. Yeah, that's a nice path. Hit 1 campfire. Hit a second campfire. We hit that path. And over here, let's go this way so we can hit the double unknown. Pyramid, at the end of your turn, you no longer have discard. At the end of your turn, you no longer discard. Like, you just keep the cards in your hand. Everything has retained. Black Star, though. Oh, that's... oh god, all of these are good. I think the last one is just the best one for Black Hole Synergy and Radiant Synergy. This one's also super nice, and this is super fucking nice. I think we do this though and play more Star Build. And it is innate. Okay, honestly, replace you. Want something that doesn't cost stars like that. So I can do this. No, I needed to do you first. Fuck. Fuck. Oh, I actually fucked myself over there. I needed to play that one first. Was that one 2 cost? How am I out of energy? Wait. What? We played 2 cards. Why do I have 0 energy? Weird. I'm gonna go back and clear the VOD at that, because that was just confusing. How did I only... okay. Okay, so now every time we play something, it's gonna get stronger. So we wanna... know thine place. Big Bang. Nothing you ever need. Give me a hologram. Okay, you. Everything you ever want. Everything you ever need. 28 damage. 40 damage on you, goddamn. If I do this, this should be lethal. Yes. It's a runner tonight. Oh, summon 4th. That is pretty nice. That's expensive. I like a summon 4th though. Solar Blast is also pretty nice. Nah, summon 4th. I can never you one. This is the greatest show. Big Bang. Give me yeah, that's actually super good. Thank you. I'll play you. I'll play you. Play you. Play you. We'll play you. Pretty decent turn 1. This is the greatest show. Oh, this is the greatest show. Oh, this is the greatest show. If we do this, then I can you. There we go. Honestly, none of those are good. This is like decent, but I don't want to. I want to start clearing out my deck, not adding more stuff at this point. Obtain a relic. Bro, wait. Oh, give the potion. Obtain a relic. Pay 100 gold for a relic. Give oddly shaped opal. 2 relics. That is a nice relic. Fuck it, we gamble. Honestly, I'm okay with that. We lost dexterity, but we gained 14 block, and our first hand is upgraded. Which means... Oh, you're already upgraded. What's the unupgraded version? Oh, it's just not innate, I see. The poison... Okay, more max health, sure. Yeah. Enemy... Why bro so shaky? Goddamn. A radiant. We won't be able to get decisions, so you can go. I think that it's good. I'm happy with either of these two. That's... actually, yeah, we play that instead of the strike. Okay, I'll play you. No. It's either these two or this one. I miscounted. 16 damage. When's the next campfire? Campfire right after this. Yeah, I'll tank damage. I will play hologram. Like a shit out of you. Do a bunch of damage. Dazed. God damn it. Someone will bleed. Open your clothes. Make a pile and pose. Now we defend. Defend. Come in fourth. I could care less as long as someone will bleed. Let me get a colorless in here. Damage equal to the number of cards you've played this combat. Okay. To get the best out of you, I want to play these two instead. Playing this one and this one's still going to be more it's the same number of cards except more damage. Would that be lethal though? 9, 18, that's 27 plus 6, that's 33. It's not lethal on you. This should be lethal on you. Let me strike you. And we full blocks. We can big bang. Black hole. Beat my brother. Enemy loses 9 HP at the start of each of their turns. Pretty nice. Spoils of battle, forge 5, draw 2. Boundary. Oh, at the start of your turn, forge 4. That's pretty nice. I'm guessing it becomes in. Oh no, it just becomes stronger. Okay. I like the sound of that. It's just at the start of your turn, gain 2. That's also pretty nice. Like, I guess now we choose, do we want to go full in on the star build or the forge build? At the moment, I think I'm getting more out of stars. Because I get a lot more stars. No, not what I want to do. We will be fighting an elite after this and in normal combat, so I think we heal up for safety. Let's get rid of... Should be able to play you. Honestly, all of these are good. I'm happy with all of those. Oh wait, fuck. I keep forgetting it's -1 energy from this one. This isn't an elite. Then we summon forth. What's that? Gonna wear all. This is nice though. Grab a second. Oh, that's a lot of fucking damage though. I'll tank it. Do this, this, this. Give me Radiance for 3 hits. Does Radiance trigger Thorns? It does. I don't like that. That was not the smartest of moves. Yikes, that's not pleasant at all. Let me draw a card. Anything good? No. Yikes, I don't like this at all. That's a scary amount of damage. Especially since there's an elite after this. Okay, no, do not do multi-hit attacks, because Thorns off individual hits. Okay, know thine place. Black hole. No. Refine. 30 damage. Or 50 damage because of the weak. Perfect. 5 damage for every skill already played this turn. I don't play that many skills. But it is a 0 coster, it is just a free star. That might deal a decent damage. Would have a campfire after the elite at least. And full plating, that's nice. Ooh, this guy, okay. We won't get enough energy if we... actually? Let's count this. This is gonna be 0 energy. 2, 3, 4. No, we don't hit enough. You can go. You can go. Give me a 0 cost. Give me some good 0 cost. Summon forth. I think I'll rather double defend. I like the Radiant though. Radiant is pretty nice. Oh right, I get an energy, so I get to summon forth anyway. I keep forgetting about that. Okay, align place. Big bang. That's you. We want a second blade? Or do we want to just hit him? I think we want a second one. Then... oh, we get to hit him anyway, because that was the first time we striked him, right. Now we do a fuck ton of damage, and we hit him a few more times. Hey, are you flipping easy? Are you only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify on your lies like second nature. Okay, so we're gonna still have 4 energy after that. Oh, that doesn't even trigger till now. Okay. Technically we have 5 energy to work with. So I can play everything in my hand. Pretty sure I have lethal. This should be lethal, right? Yeah, that's lethal. Okay. Every 5 cards you add to your deck gain 10 HP. I don't plan on adding many more cards to my hand. I don't really care about us. Like, none of these are that appealing. I don't already have that. I already have this. Actually, wait, this is super good. Actually, yeah, I'll grab that. Now I heal. And now we fight another elite. And if this elite fight doesn't go well, we can just pivot out of that elite fight. Ooh. Ooh, this is gonna be interesting. Is that they don't really care about us. That goes by energy, so I won't be able to spend. I'm gonna tank a bit of damage here. Get at something. God, I want to play. Oh shit. Oh, I guess I played it. Ouchie. 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 What I want to say is that they don't really care about us. Use this, I don't have to worry about block. Now I can know thy place on you. Do 20 damage. Okay, so you're basically dead. No, dead, everybody gone dead. Hit me, hit me. I'm not saying is that they don't really care about us. We have the energy to strike, summon forth strike. Or summon blade, summon forth summon blade. We do have the energy for that. I think that's gonna be the maximum damage is doing this. Which eliminates you. Now we need to this and do that. You take 7 damage. Now I need to take you out so I can big bang. I can decisions. Do I have any skill cards to play though? I don't have any skill cards. Here we go. Potion of Binding. That seems really nice. The start of each combat get an additional star. Ooh, that's gonna go well. That just means this is now free. I like the sound of that. How am I looking on health? Can I do another elite? Probably. Just uncommon potion. Use potion of binding. Upgrade an uncommon card. These are the same except we don't. I think we lose this potion. Add an upgraded card. Ooh! Okay, so this is what you do to go infinite. It's orbit. Okay. It's this fuck. No, wait, this is... Okay, I do like you. This isn't that good now. Let's get rid of those two. I want some defense. Orbit. No defend. I think I'm gonna do that. Because I don't think I'm responsible for damage. I don't think I get the effect, the dazed. I don't like that I get no defense. We play you. I like the parry. I like all three of these. Ouch. That was fucking nasty. I did not enjoy that at all. Okay. Now, I can Big Bang twice. That's scary. Let's hope I draw a summon force. I did not. God damn it. Would have been nice if I did though. Okay. Seriously, like, I get no defend cards. This is actually annoying as hell. I got one defend card. Radiance would be awful, because I'm gonna get a fuck ton of dazed. Let's not play that. Honestly, I'm gonna forge up my blade a bit more. Yeah, I want to forge up my blade a bit more. Of course, now I get all of my blocks. This is so stupid. This is gonna make my dazed. We don't want to do that. That's gonna make dazed go out the wazoo. It's only the second turn. I need to start doing damage at some point. So I'll get one dazed. Really you. Also you. And then you do nothing. They're in place, so you're weaker. Fine blade. Fuck. 7 times 3. That's lethal on me, isn't it? Uh-huh. 7 times 3, that is 1421. I'm gonna have 1 HP, or 2 HP left. Let's strike it and summon forth, make my blade stronger. 1 HP left, yeah. Or 3 HP left. Oh. None of these are a skill cards, so decisions is worthless. Oh, draw 3 cards, wait. Defend a bunch, sure. Defend me a bunch. Let me do 41 damage. Okay, we full block this turn. Fuck. Okay, March 13, next turn, going to... It was supposed to come out next previous turn, so I could have fucking had multiple blades. We strike, and we defend. I need to execute him this turn. That's lethal, right? Yes. Oh, thank God. Weak potion. First time you gain block from this, from a card, each combat, double the amount gained. Okay. You vigor. Next attack deals additional damage. Okay. I do get a heal now. Honestly, just making the enemies do less damage might be smart. I'm not gonna have a lot of health for this fight. I do not have a lot of health for this fight at all. Big Bang. Decisions. Okay, I won't get... Okay, I'm not gonna get enough for decisions. Black Hole is pretty good as it is. Let's get something else. And something else in decisions. Yeah. And normal strike, okay. This. Big bang. Oh. Okay, yeah. Get a second blade. And we strike you for that. Oh, I had another energy, crap. Okay. Draw one fewer cards each turn. I think at the moment I don't have the luxury of tanking a bunch of damage. Forge, yes. I'm gonna weaken the boss. Okay, he won't break through my shield. Now I can block for 27. And I can hit him once, and then hit him a bunch more. Is it? No, we didn't have a shot really. Okay, no line place, make him even weaker. Block, that's not full block. Make it even weaker. No, it doesn't actually work like that. Block. We can summon forth. Big Bang. And we can block for 8. Summon forth. That. That in place to apply vulnerable. Parry 60 damage. 7 damage. You cannot play more than 3 cards. I think I should be able to kill him fast enough before this gets me. Because this is gonna be super bad. Summon forth. 49 damage. Oh! Gold, 6, golden card. Tyranny, that's what that says. At the start of your turn, draw 1, exhaust 1 card. Oh. Oh, so this is just what you always grab, that one. Okay. Oh, we're looking on elites. Can you hit 2? That's also a 2. This one looks just... I like this shop. You only hit 1 elite though. Honestly, I like that path though. This path looks nice. Nice campfire. Only hit 1 elite, but we have a bunch of campfires to upgrade. Nice early shop. I have a bunch of fucking gold. Remove 2 cards from your deck and increase max health by 9 at rest sites. Oh, happy with that. Especially since we have a bunch of rest sites to go to. Okay, we'll immediately play. Oh, no, this is Gambler. Token. We're not hitting you or you. I don't think Summon Forth is useful here because we're not going to be able to summon the blade. I mean, I guess the Forge 8 is good. I feel like we could do better though. Forge 8. Actually, we might even be able to actually play this. Because we play you. No, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We won't be able to play Summon Forth. Or we play Summon Forth and don't play Blade. Actually, yeah, that was better. Now I can play you. Now in place. You. Now that's a bunch more damage. can parry. I can block from Southern Blade. Strike. 18 damage. But Big Bang. Big Bang. Gain some more energy. Play you, and that's lethal. Pretty nice because I tend to have a lot of stars, not a lot of energy. Okay, this is a decent start. Here are those two. One black hole hammer, play you. Play you. Give me something better. Another Big Bang, sure. Oh wait, a Big Bang? Yeah, okay. Big Bang is exhausted, that makes sense. It's strong. Now I can hammer. Smack the shit out of this guy. Then we defend. Oh, no, I took no damage. And I can smack my heartbeat out of control. The Fine Blade. Eliminate you. 15 damage to eliminate you. Iodine place on you. Even though it's not needed, because I'm not going to damage him. And that. Do on this one first, but oh well. Actually, it doesn't matter the order. They die anyway. None of those are that good. Finally a shop. Now to buy out this motherfucker. One pick up, then a copy of a card in your deck. Ooh. Just a nice to have. Fire potion's pretty good. Energy. Potions. Remove a card. Let's get rid of so much stuff like I don't actually use at all. Like this is actually kind of useless. Only useful if I happen to draw a whatever the fuck that one card is called. Okay. At the start of each combat, forge 10. Lovely. First time you play a power card, gain 7 block. Nice. Now what card do we want to copy? What doth we want 2 of? We could have a second one. No, we can't. We don't get enough stars for that. It would be funny if we had a second one of those though. Have a second one of these. I just feel like then we're more likely to hit it. Yeah. At the moment, my deck is too thick. Use 11 HP, obtain a random relic. I like that. Ooh, pillow, okay. Immediately forge, that's nice. If we want you, So those two. I'm gonna play you. Play you. Play you. I'll play you. Go line place. You. Oh wait, this is only one. Why? What made you one? I don't know, but I'm playing it. Oh, and lovely, we got a summon forth. Oh, and Seeking Edge. I don't think there's gonna be that many other enemies, so this isn't the best. But we can now Forge 80 summon forth, and this 40 something damage. Damage to all enemies. 40 damage. Oh, there's 40 left. God damn it. I should have strength first. I was hoping I had 20 left. I can buy a potion. Six damage 3 times. That's 18 damage. 18, 6, 20. That should be 40. Yeah. Rate this one. There we go. Honestly, having a second one of these could just be nice to hit them often. Ooh, no. We're not hitting another shop. I'll take an uncommon potion. Gain. Energy. Gain additional energy at the start of the next 3 rounds. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Wait out. I'm gonna move 2 cards. I think we want to remove 2 cards. Let's remove. I haven't played you once. If it isn't 0 cost, I don't really want it that much. We have a lot of attack shit. Let's remove a normal attack card. Bit more max health now. I need a tent. That would be broken. Okay, that should full block, yeah, so we can get rid of you. And those 3, can get me another energy. Gonna be nice. This is gonna be nice. Take 6 damage. I don't remember that being there. Oh, okay. This motherfucker made that. Big Bang. Play you. Hit you now. First. Drink the strength. Do 30. We do 9, 10 times. We do additional 90. Oh, so close to lethal. So close. I almost turned one his ass. I can just play literally anything and it should... Oh wait, no, I don't have black hole. Never mind. That should kill that. No. Remove more. The gossip, think down, you throw up, dip. The gossip, burn down, you throw up. Honestly, I'm playing decisions so rarely, I don't think it's worth it to have that cluttering up my deck. That can honestly go. I'll remove the other unupgraded strike. Okay, oh, we do had the option to hit another shop. I did not see this. We could have hit that. Fuck it. We might as well spend our last bit of money. Okay, fuck, we want to defend a bit more. Let's get rid of you. Not the Big Bang. Okay, I'm happy with that. Actually, we don't need more defend. Honestly, let's Big Bang once. Another Big Bang. Alright, let's save the other Big Bang for later in the run. Do a bunch of damage. Yes. I should have kept my blade because then I can upgrade it, but I will. Strike again. Ouchie, my legs. Why you burn me, huh? As I play 0. Oh. 0 defend cards, that's lovely. Ouch, 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 ouch. 40 damage, god damn. You mind giving me a block card? No? Really? Sure? Another man, nothing super, just the level is over and tight. There goes half of my health bar. Stupid ass game. I'll give me one block. Okay. Summon forth. Know thine place, know thine place. Know thine place. Good guys, it looks like. Taking a bit more damage. Now cheap. Okay, Big Bang, please. No. We do have a summon forth. We do have 80 damage. Oh, that's just lethal. Each combat, the first turn, a card that debuffs an enemy, its effect is doubled. Okay. I don't play that many. Alignment's pretty nice. I don't really play that much shit that debuffs, but I'll take it. Everybody dies. What potion do I have? A dexterity potion. An empty potion slot with random potion. Yeah. I want to remove. Let me remove. One got shot and the other got knocked and shots and bullets and blood on beneath but the heart underneath but the history of joy. That's that you can go. Now I heal up. That's 15, 80, my full HP. Okay. We wanna stack up Sovereign Blade to do a fuck ton of damage. Maybe keep you, swap you out. Or do I want to keep you? I don't know. Have next turn, have a bunch of energy. I like the sound of that actually. Play you. Defend 16. Oh wait, this thing goes from skill cards. Okay. I'm allowed to attack and I can't play skills. I forget what else? What's... Boom boom crack boom boom. I am curious to know what happens when you play this twice. You only have it once, okay. Might as well play it, even if I don't do anything. Should have lethal. Yes. The thing that retained my energy, I would be fucking right now. Okay, this one is... Shuffle a wound into your deck. You receive unblocked damage. Okay, I want to full block this guy now. Let's grab dexterity. Let's big bang. Hopefully I get a defend. I do. I need to get a bit more defense than what I currently have though. No, I place to weaken them. Then I can parry. Attack. I can big bang again. Sure, why not? Oh, how useful. Okay. Got wounded. It's fine. I want a black hole. This possibly got changed because you don't have the immunity anymore. Let's refine, summon forth, drink this potion, defend. And make you weak so you do less damage. Oh, it was weak. Oh. Mercy. Mercy. We do a bunch of damage with you. Refine blade. And defend. 70 damage. Now is immune, I see. Okay. Summon forth. Let's weaken him. Let's play you. You ready? I have nothing to block. I love that I can't block. Let's do like 5 damage. Ooh. Any more defend cards, game? Anything? Like that a bit less damage though. Okay, I live at least. Mercy. Mercy. That's 120 damage. Hitting him with 100. If I throw this, it's gonna do... Yeah. I mean, actually, I forgot I get blocked from using blade. More energy, a defend. Ouchie. Oh, burn you. Oh no. I think that's game over. 12 times 3 plus 2. And I have 0 block. Oh, so close. We got so close. Damn it. Mercy. 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 Unlock. Oh, lovely temp art. What did I get? That. Bunch new cards. Lovely. Okay. I kind of want to learn how to mod this game. EJ had an idea for a thing you can do with Regent. That's like his name, right? Yeah, the Regent. EJ had an idea for something you can do with the Regent that I thought sounded pretty fun. I'm gonna see if I can make a mod to do it. Is there a mod that probably does this already? Probably. Do I know it? No. Hello. I don't know what that says. Hello. Okay, let's figure out how do I initial setup. Won't tell. Oh, guess I'll never know. It is done in C#. Oh, lovely. I get to do some C# again. Let's get C# set up then. While I do this, you could use the driver. Yeah, but that's effort. I don't want to put in effort. I'm gonna just chatting. Oh my god, my avatar is keep. Why does it keep crashing? I need to set up a system that fucking makes a sound every time my fucking model crashes. So I can relaunch it. It's so annoying. I wanna learn to love. Hello, hello, hello. Why aren't you working? Bop, bop, bop. Why aren't you working? There we go. Now I go PNG. I need to reload the asset on OBS. There we go. Now I'm talking again. Test redeem. Yeah, it's a test redeem. It tests to see if redeems are working. Okay. Close you out. Test was successful. The test redeem works. Redeems are currently functioning. So it does. Okay. Was it loud? I don't know actually how loud the overlay is. We turn it down a bit. Quite loud. I never actually looked at the thing. Let's see. Test redeem. Oh yeah, it turned down. It's about as loud as my music still. Definitely ever picked me. How was that one? I turned it down quite a bit. Even then, it was about as loud as the music. Much better, lovely. Thank you. Okay, now we need to get Visual Studio Code installed. Not Visual Studio Code, just Visual Studio. Before C#. Yeah, I'm useful. Yeah, I guess. Export versions. What I downloaded. What I downloaded is exe. Is Windows gonna be like that? Is there not a Linux version of code? Okay, let me not use code then. What's the JetBrains version of C Sharp? What are these called? Rider. Sure. Let's try Rider. Okay, let's see. Does Rider JetBrains Rider, does it have an Arch package? We do have a UR package. Yay. Dash S Rider. Okay. Let's hope Rider package also installs .NET. Would be pretty nice if it does. Oh, that's 2 gigabytes. Downloading at a subtle 8 megabytes per second. Why the fuck is this so much slower? Linux is both confusing and fun. Yeah, I love Linux. I guess while we do this, I have been wanting to actually, wait, let me control C this. Let me add the no confirm enter. I'm gonna split a new tab. I've been wanting to make a script for when I go live. So I can automatically do stuff like open OBS, stuff like that. Let's go to screen cap. I can see the stream shit. So we want to make a script. Let's see what else. I've only ever used Ubuntu, like straight Ubuntu. Has everything you need come with it. Yeah, Ubuntu is definitely the OS that, like, I think everyone. Well, actually, I'm not sure if it is anymore. It used to be for a while, but a lot of people saying Ubuntu hasn't been that great as of late. Like, a lot of like the people that like know a lot more in Linux. I might be wrong. It might have changed again, and then Ubuntu might be baby's first OS again. Baby's first distro. Yeah, Ubuntu is definitely the most popular first distro. My first one was Ubuntu. But then a while ago, I decided to try Arch. So I was like using raw Arch on my laptop. It was nice. Arch is definitely my base, like my favorite underlying one. But having the raw was neat because I had to do everything, but it was so annoying because I had to do everything. Like when I needed to do wanted to get Bluetooth working on my laptop, I needed to install like 7 apps. The server is using raw Arch though. So currently on my PC, what I'm on right now, this is Manjaro, so just an Arch-based distro. But the actual server that isn't this is Fast Fetch. This is using just raw Arch, which is pretty nice. Where Fast Fetch, my main PC is using Manjaro. If you want to do something like that, I recommend not doing what I'm doing. I'm using Arch because it's what I'm familiar and it's what I like. If you want to do something like turn it into a local storage device, use Plex. No, not Plex. Plex is for movies. It's TrueScale. Is it TrueScale? What's it called? TrueNAS. That's what it is. TrueNAS. Use TrueNAS. It is an incredibly user-friendly way of setting up a NAS-like system, storage system. It has full support for Docker containers, so you can do a lot more with it. Like, there's a chance I at some point switch away from TrueNAS and go to that. There's also, what's the other big server? If you want to do a lot more and just have a bunch of Docker containers where you have a storage container and shit like that. There's another one, I don't remember what it's called. What's the other big server OS? Proxmox. That's also TrueNAS. Yeah, TrueNAS and Proxmox. Those are the big two ones. TrueNAS are good for if you want to do more like virtualizations, like Docker and stuff like that. TrueNAS is really good if you want to do a NAS specifically with the option to do extra small stuff like dedicated Docker files. Like I remember we used to have a TrueNAS for storage that had a Plex container on it, so it had like it also ran Plex. You can have Minecraft containers, so your TrueNAS scale, your TrueNAS server can host a Minecraft server. I recommend TrueNAS. It's the best option. There's also HexOS, which is based on TrueNAS. It's like I don't know if it's free yet. I'm pretty sure it's still lifetime licenses at the moment. This is also yeah. It's a lot more expensive, but it's a lot more user friendly. The stakes the because storage. That's a lot of money. I have a petabyte of storage. That's super nice. She was a big spender. Yeah, clearly. Yeah, this server has about 2 TB. No, wait, my main system is about 2 TB. I think I added a terabyte drive to this one. No, I didn't. Like I should have a 1 TB drive laying around that I wanna add to the server. I thought I added it already, but I guess I didn't. No, is it a one? No, it's a 2 TB drive. The current server isn't what I used to always use. Oh, let's quickly before that fails. The server I'm currently using isn't what I used to use as my server. The old one was a lot louder and slower, but had more like it was a standard PC. This is one of those Dell mini PCs. It's a lot stronger, but and quieter, which is why I like it, but it isn't as expandable. It only has one like full hard drive bay. Luckily it's still empty, so I can put a hard drive in it. But the other one I had like a rack of a bunch of hard drives in. Okay. Rider. Pretty sure I'm gonna have to log into a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna switch back to this screen right now. While I get this thing up and running. Presses G. If you could send me a proper server, that would make my fucking day. God, I would love to home lab. Like the only thing keeping me from like home labbing is the fact that I don't have any equipment. Like about 2 or 3 years ago, I bought um a old school's not server, but like a server not case rack. It was like this. I think it's a 4U rack, just a small little desktop rack. I was like, cool. I have a start for server stuff, and then I haven't gotten a server like to put in it, so I just have an empty server rack that is like a empty tiny little rack. Okay. Honestly, I like Visual Studios. I think yes. I like Visual Studios Code ski binds. Oh, wait, wait. I need to show this. Screen. Look at how peak this is. You can install Vim, the Vim engine, straight during startup. It offers the Vim engine. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. That's amazing. Yeah, no, I fully get why you can't. It's like, yeah. Let's just grab those two. What do I need to do over here to set it up? What the hell is this? Megadot. What the hell is Megadot? Windows version of Megadot or Godot? Same version as the most recent Megadot release. Full.NET SDK. About him. And he's totally real dickhead energy. Damn. um. Okay. Let's see. I don't know what I'm downloading right now. It's like Megadot, a version of. I don't know, Mega. Okay, is Megadot. That's something I never considered. Lurk. Okay, thank you for the lurk. That's something I never considered. Because Godot is open sourced, even though Spire 2 is made in Godot, it's not made in actual Godot, it's made in Megadot. Because it's open source, they have the ability to build their own version of Godot. That's so neat, I've never thought about that. Jeez, why is shit downloading so slow? Holy moly. It's the same. No, 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 no. Let's do sudo pacman dash s dot net. Right, my mom just came in and gave me a donut, which is nice. Oh, I didn't type in my password wrong there. Yeah, I did. Is .NET not a package? How do you install .NET? Arch.net. What is the package name? .NET-SDK. Yeah, .SDK. That's what it is. .NET.SDK. -SDK. Okay, so we have the .NET SDK. What else do we need? The latest release of Baselib. Your one mod folder. You're not sure that is, go to this page. Linux in app/content. Wait. Oh, so I put Steam settings, manage, browse local files. I put my mods folder in here. Either is in your install directory or in a different location on macOS. So I just add a create new folder mods. The mods go in here, okay? I don't care. I don't care. Don't care. And to download whatever this is. Baselib. What is Baselib before I just download it? Baselib is on or base other mods use as a dependency. Okay, so it's just yeah, so it's just yeah, okay, just a dependency mod. I'll have the wiki for this open. That sounds like something I'll be needing to refer to a lot. We can download all of this. Let's download the zip file. Yeah, it just has those in it, okay. Okay, so open this up. Try this in here. I think I want to put these in subfolders. I don't know if I can though. Baselib. Put all of this in baselib. Are you able to do that? I don't know. Okay, you can put them into individual files as you wish. Move that there. So now in here, in your IDE, I need to go to writer. I need to use solution. What solution do I choose? New solution as a placeholder. Alt F2. Then I need to place Alt F2. No, cancel. Alt F2. That brings up OS thing. Okay. Press Alt F2. Oh, just like open the terminal. Ah, okay, I see. Open the terminal. And we do .NET install that. Oh, I don't like this terminal. I forgot I do not like their terminal. Okay. Now what do I do? New solution. Oh, new solution. Other. Here we go. Mod. Content mod character. Let's go with just normal mod. Let's call the solution. Okay, what should we call the mod? Wait, did my fucking thing die again? Why? Man. This is genuinely the most annoying fucking thing ever. That PNG tuber just keeps dying. Select PNG tuber, okay. Why do you keep dying, you dumbass bitch? What? Oh, yeah, baby. I'm gonna give you the world. Change me. If you with me just a little bit. Oh, I do not want to do that. Okay. Oh no. Popped up a little. That looks good. Every day you'll come around. Come like and join my company. My baby cost me once you know what my life's gonna feel like. Project name should not contain spaces. The format must have SLN. What my life's gonna feel like. Oh, format.sln, okay. Enable put solution and project in same directory. Put solution and project in same directory, okay. Wants to do. Oh, author option, okay. 20, 32, 33. Let's call the mod um, inspire two chords. Character. Okay. What is it that I'm looking for? Is there multiplayer? Hammer time. That's what I'm looking for. Let's call the mod hammering time. That sounds fun. Hammering time. Let's also create a Git repository. I don't think I need to put it in my mods folder. Like it compiles to my mods folder. Stop, you want to apply. This was her apply. You're supposed to need. No, it's really. Being a poser. Okay. Let's quickly first try build solution. This is the thing I was waiting for, the logging in. Let me log in. I don't remember what my account is made with. Go with this. This. No, that's the wrong one. is this? My age again. What's my age again? Her husband in jail. Okay. There's one warning. What warning? Patient must be added. Okay, so if I just now load this. I don't know if there's anything more to do or if it's just gonna appear now. Walked away from me. There we go. Load mods. I can now switch back to clean cap. Oh, this is a good donut. Oh. Weird. Oh. Wait. Wait. Did I just lose my save? Did I fuck up? Something I know is true. Why did I? Playtime 0. How? I don't like the sound of this. Run away, baby. I do have my mod at least. I don't like the idea that I just lost my config file. Ach, my... You sure you wanna quit? Yes. Yeah. You better run away, baby. I'ma spell on you. Okay, I do still have. Let me switch fucking slot 2 and quit this. relaunch now. Guys. Guys. Oh. Yeah. Why does that happen? I mean, it seems to be fine. As long as I'm able to access my normal save file somehow. Let's go. Now, figure out how this works. Someone don't know. Guys. Main file.c#. Okay, I'm gonna have to now relearn how to do C# because I haven't coded in C# since I think 2019. 2020 maybe. Also, I think I might turn off the Vim engine unless I'm able to plugins. Installed Vim engine. An eternity since I had to hear me, since I had to learn to be someone you don't know. Is there not? Can you not configure them? Or is plugin settings in the actual settings? Oh, this is the actual setting. Is there no like dedicated plugin settings? Ugh, that's not nice. There's no settings for me to be able to configure. I'll config via. Okay. Reactor Marketplace is in Vim support. No. Oh. Neo. Vim. Between and Neo Vim. What the hell is that open here? Cool though. Not what I'm looking for. I think I'm just gonna disable you. What the Royal Flush? I have to reload it. Like I have to reload the window. Let me reload the window. Rider. Look out there, boys. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. now I need to figure out how on earth we mod. I gotta pretend I become a friend. What I need to do is figure out where new comes in. Feeling chiama per tre notti con me. Okay, how would I where I go? Not nothing for the sun. That's all I'm worried on. Ever, babe. I don't know if this habit's gained. I'm gonna see you say, go alone. Baby, get me wrong. Okay. Up, setup is what we're looking at. Adding cards, actions, traders, testing, debugging. Feeling a dream. Hey, how would I? Problem is, I know nothing, so I don't know where to start at all. Now I need to find out if there's a fucking. When I want to add card, common commands and webhooks. Actually, is there a Slay the Spire Discord? Do they have the modding? If I go onto the game page, it'll probably give me the Discord link. You're too sweet for me. And not a. Oh, I thought there'd be like a little thing for Discord. I guess there isn't. On here, maybe, hopefully. L-I-T. Modding. Yes, party. Modding this. When it ends. There is a modding session in the official Discord. What's the official Discord though? First part to Discord. Oh, for my love. that shine, but not so light. Oh, what? Oh. Official wiki, so official Discord. Oh, no, no, real. Nothing on. Lightning strikes on this night. Without light. Oh, what? Oh. Oh, that shine. Open light. Oh, what? Oh. Separate me. Okay. It's alright. Lightning strikes. Alright. So polite. What? Adequate. Shame. Die. Old money game. Is that how you spell his name? So much better if the people think yeah, you see. Bear with me. Guaranteed. How do you spell guaranteed? Guaranteed. Oh, is that the game? Let's see, is the game. Here we go. The devil. Oh. The holy waters watered down. Angels up on the clouds, sailors nowhere be found. Canary, found sanctuary. Sailors thrown down. Here, here. And oh my mind, taking me out the ordinary. Running out of screen space. Angels in the clouds, the ordinary. Oh my. And buried. And I, oh yeah. than a 20-foot ceiling. Um, this shit. Right, good, done. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Not what I'm looking for. Put you over here. Put up a peace and quiet. Yeah. Decompiling. I see. There is a place that shows how to decompile. Okay. We do. Press shift 4 times. Yeah. Which oh, is it just in the decompile? Oh, wait. Fuck that shit. Let's start a riot. And yes, I confirm. Okay, this is super easy. Okay. Let's see. I look. I don't know what any of that meant. First options. Oh, exactly how this ends. But you cut the open. Not my blade. Give up who I am for who you wanted me to be. Dun, 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 dun. How we lose. Right, I want to add a new relic, I guess. A relic that gives you hammer time. I keep on lying to you. Custom models. Custom relic. That you got me open. Just to watch me bleed. Okay, so I want to add a new. Let me go look at some Slay the Spire 2 mods, just so I can know what mods, there- how you would actually put this in code. There's already a Slay the Spire 2 mod manager, damn. All the prompts of the emptiness missing. Probably adds. Wanna party, my phone. I wanna party, wanna song, wanna party, end of my life, wanna party and fly, fly just like a bird. Nope, fly just like a rocket, yeah. Go for oxygen. Life and party. My body. My body. Wanna song. Wanna party. And fly. Relax. Move forward. I want a song. I want a party. I want a song. I want a party. Live my life. Party and fly. Fire, fire, light. Yeah, light. Fire, fire. No best stay grateful when I'm on home lives. Finish it. Simple. Okay, that I can just put this in here. Yeah, nothing. Oh, wait, there should be a class. Dangerous. Plus dot. Control dot. Who do you have local? Scholars. Emerington. Localization. Missing. How do I add localization? I don't know how you add localization. How do you do localization? What is the file look like? Just to throw it away. And I was thinking deeper just to throw it away. Support code for the most Terminal X. Yes. What is this? Localization. This is the wiki is not helpful at all. I have no idea what's going on. Make you face us. Number one, localization, hammer time, title, description, not found, or that symbol. So I need a localization symbols. How do you add localization symbols? How do you add localization symbols? It doesn't say. Nowhere in here does it say how you add localization symbols. Adding localization for a file. Okay. Yeah, like this. Actually, before I do this, let me cut this out. How do you make a new file? Creating files. Add custom relic. Hammering time. No, I'm stupid for you. I miss you. Hey, stay. Adding stuff to pool attribute. Localizations. Mod name folder. Should contain. Okay. Image. Hello. No. Okay, so in here, add a new folder. No, in here, add a new folder called localization, which has a folder png. I call that JSON file. Look, right? Relic. Don't ask again. Add. Okay. Oh, what did I have? Doesn't have for relics. Take it there. Oh, Alt Enter. Alt Enter. What doesn't work? Add new bar. Enter. Alt Enter doesn't do anything. New. I see the palace covered in red. That's control dot. I see. I go here. I do control dot. I go. Generate localizations. Control X. Should be deleted. I go in here. I don't know what flavor does. When you on the brink of death, you find no breath. There we go, it's relics. Okay. We have a basic relic now. Why are you still mad? Cannot resolve symbol pool. Why not? Context on. The clown. I don't know how I would add a pool. Okay, well, relic pool, it fails to resolve that. Let me go and look at okay, what's a relic that gives you something? Any random rare card? Crossbow, not cross the left. Here we go. Add Nemo's theory. Perfect. This is exactly what we're looking for. Cryo River. Darkness could not cast me, for I am divine. And kicks on, succeeding, impeding. What's it called? Okay. Use Tailman. Yeah, thought I meant this one. Simple, how can you see? No, melancholic. Has upon pickup effect. Okay, so let's just take that override. Other tooltip. Okay. For now, it's just gonna be Nemo's Fury. This is all Hammer Time does. What the hell? Why? What are its usings? Just yoink all of its usings, I guess. Darkness cannot keep me, for I am divine. Hammering time. Evil. Yeah, I've been gone out discreet. Not for now, let's just control slash out that one. Things come out under law. down. Goddamn thing. What is this thing? Hell are ancients? And afraid I will take your brain away. And come out. Um, uh, the documentation of this isn't that great yet, which fair, this is a beta game. Healer, right, alright. Healer. I could love you with my eyes closed. It's you when I won't figure you out. My hand. Love you with my eyes closed. You will blindfold. Face. Boom it down, boom it now. Two lists, let's just create lists. Loving you is dangerous. Let's on a punk, let's now. Slow it down. I go look for the wicked. How's the pay? Not whilst the feed. Ain't no rest for the wicked. I'm so confused. I need to bump that. I don't grow on trees. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Money don't grow on trees. Not lost to feed. No, 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 for free. Fuck. I don't get what type of relic pool. Um. Oh crap. Relic pool model. How do you? Relic pool model. That's what I'm looking for. Custom relic pool model. Event relic pool. Migrant relic pool. Oh. How do you? You can't use arrows. How the hell are you supposed to? There we go. No. What the fuck? Migrant pool. Okay, so we have a relic pool. Gun. Gun for you. Oh, where's that to end? If I do this, if I compile it. And I'll go down in flames. Okay, it compiled. Now I can launch Steam. Hello! I'm trying to figure out how the hell you mod this game. Because of the fact that it's still early access and it just came out, the documentation is not that good yet. I have no idea what I'm doing. But anyway, how are you doing? Knuckle. 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 Config. My mod doesn't have a config. The mod is here. Is there a debugger mod? Aspire to penitentiary. It always make me sing. Was waiting for the workshop to start toying with it. Yeah, that's fair. I like modding stuff, so like might as well learn how to mod. So also start two cheats. College, university. Okay, so I do mod config. This is a log window. I want a console. Doesn't have a console. This is the anthem. Hold your heads up, yeah. Squid you, yes. So let's get this code actually working so that it does something. Good at modding your own profile pic? Hell yeah. Love yourself. With me. This is the anthem. While your hands up, sing if you're with me, yo. Never lose a rap throw. I don't get what all this shit is. No. No. And crazy. Summer. What the hell? Is my network dropping? What? No, OBS seems fine. Why is GitHub not loading? GitHub down? GitHub, don't be fucking down right now. Oh, it's gonna take. Gonna make. Five, five, three, okay. Oh, wait, what's that? The vision of the one I see. Gonna take. World we're gonna make. Let me be part of it all. Okay, I gotta go do some shit. So I guess I end stream here. Um, there's a few people here. I don't think anyone I know is live right now. Million. Running up the one I see. Yeah. What I know is live right now. I don't really want to spend find someone to raid. I'ma just end it here. I'll be back later tonight. Probably do some more coding. Do some other stuff. I don't know. Probably not more of this. This is like annoying. I don't want to do this anymore. But yeah. I'll see y'all in a few hours.